As my wife had our fourth child, she was depressed. We had some complications with that, and he was in the NICU. And my wife was a little hesitant to go to a hormone replacement specialist, even though I was working around a 20-year veteran, one of the first guys to do hormone replacement therapy here in Utah. I'd been working with him, been friends with him for years, and helped him develop his programs and stuff like that. Not because I'm a doctor. I helped him develop the marketing for his programs. And then my wife started having issues. You know, you can't be a prophet in your own backyard sometimes. And I'm telling her, look, Dr. Jones can help. And he did. Finally, she went. You know, we were going to the gym and working hard, and she just still felt terrible. One day I came home from work, and she's sitting on the couch, and she looks up at me with these puppy dog eyes, and she says, Ricky, I am so thirsty, but I just don't have the energy. I just don't feel like getting up off the couch to get a drink of water. Will you please bring me a drink of water?
Want to listen to the full episode? Click the link in the bio or the description above.